Minsan nakakasira ng ulo mag-handle ng ganitong sitwasyon. Nakaka-relate ka ba? Great day mga katribo. Meron tayong mahalagang topic na pag-uusapan today, which is handling conflict without losing your mind.
Sabi nila, you don't get to really know your partner hanggat kasal na kayo.
Meron akong isi-share na 3 strategies so that you can handle conflict and maintain a happy relationship. Meron din akong isi-share na downloadable file para you can use and apply all these learnings na matututunan nyo today immediately. So let's start. Some couples decide to confront their partner tuwing meron silang na-observe na hindi magandang ginawa ng partner nila. And others naman decide to be silent about it. So, sa palagay ninyo, ano yung mas tama?
Ange, ano ba?
Bakit? Ano na naman ginawa ko?
Ang baho kaya?
Nakaamoy ka na ba na mabangong utot?
So, iba-iba tayo ng personality. Pero ito yung 3 guidelines that we can use para maging maayos yung conflict resolution natin. Our first strategy is to learn how to fight right. Yung conflict, hindi natin yan maiwasan sa relationship. But, what we need to learn is to handle it constructively. So, paano ba yon? First is to establish ground rules. For example, may issue kayo, you will discuss it in private at hindi sa public or mas malala sa social media. Another example is avoiding name calling, avoiding personal attacks, and focusing on the problem rather than attacking each other.
Parehong-pareho kayo ng nanay ko eh. Wala kayong tigil sa dakdak.
Or pang-apat, huwag maging historical, you focus on the issue at hand. The key here is to make your marriage a safe place to commit mistakes. Kasi tao lang tayo nagkakamali. Kasi kung hindi healthy yung pag-handle ninyo ng mga mistakes, then your partner would rather be defensive or rather lie. Hindi na lang niya aaminin kasi alam niyang mag-aaway lang kayo.
Binigay ko naman sa'yo lahat ah. Eh ako, inisip mo ba ako? Hindi. Ang gusto mo lagi, yung gusto mo yung nasusunod.
Additionally, active listening is very important in handling conflict. You need to hear what your partner is saying without being defensive or without interrupting. So, pwede nyo na yung isama sa ground rules ninyo.
Hindi ka marunong makinig!